Hey guys, Teacher Megan here. I am coming at you today with some quick and easy makeup tips. I'm sorry if you hear my baby in the background. He's in his little thingy while I'm doing my videos because I couldn't get it in before his nap time was up. But anyway, uh, now that I am in the United States, I'm waking up a lot earlier to teach classes. So I don't have a lot of time to do my makeup. So I've come up with a couple of ways to cut down on time in the morning for makeup. It doesn't cut down a whole lot of time, but I just wanted to share it with you, keep things fresh. The first one is using a compact for your foundation. So these are two options that I've found. We'll do the high-end option first. Whoops. This is It Cosmetics. Oh, you can see my room with this. It Cosmetics. Confidence in a Compact for all skin types. I have two colors. Trying to find the color that works best for me. Unfortunately, I'm in between their shades. So in the winter time, I was using the fair shade, which is the lightest shade they have with the darker powder on top of it, but it does look a little ghosty. I'm not wearing this product right now. I'm wearing something different. And then I have the light color, which is actually pretty dark. I mean, if you look at that, you can tell it's too dark for me. I can maybe lighten it up with a lighter powder. But really, if you're really rushed for time, in theory, you could just slap this on your face, put on some mascara, lipstick, and go. I like to finish it with the powder, but I'm not going to be able to keep using this just because they don't have that like middle shade that I really need. I'm finding that compact foundation is like really hard to find right now. It's like, I remember it was all the rage several years ago. Well, not several, maybe in the early 2000s. I don't remember. But anyway, so this is like one of the few ones I can find. It costs about 38 bucks at Ulta, so it's expensive. I did get it half priced one time because there was like a Ulta beauty deal thing. Anyway, the other product I just recently purchased is Neutrogena Healthy Skin Compact Makeup. This is okay product. You can make it it's like a medium coverage. Some people say it's a light coverage, but I find that it actually does pretty well with me. I can do 2 layers. It doesn't have a ton of like all day staying power. It does oxidize a bit, whereas it doesn't, and the other stuff I'm using, which is a BB cream, does not oxidize as much. But this is Classic Ivory. And one thing I don't like about this, other than it oxidizes a little bit on your face, is that it smells exactly like Neutrogena sunscreen. So if you've used Neutrogena sunscreen in the past, you know what smell I'm talking about. I don't like the smell, but at least it doesn't smell like, like old lady perfume or like something really unnatural. I don't know, some people might like it because it reminds them of the beach, but you can just slap that on your face to finish with the powder. But I feel like these like kind of compact things take a lot less time than doing sort of like, beauty blender and the whole thing. The other thing I want to talk about is baking. So baking is like one of these really popular things that you will see on YouTube. I don't know how many women like actually bake on a daily basis, but the idea behind baking is that you press the powder into your face and leave it there for as long as possible for it to sort of like meld with your foundation and the oils of your skin and like set your makeup. A lot of times it's done sort of through here and then under the eyes. A lot of people will also use it to sort of cut their contouring, so like a really light powder. Anyway, I don't know a whole lot about it. I kind of feel like the science behind it is kind of wonky, but I have tried it a few times, and I don't know. I think maybe it keeps the shine down a little bit. I really like matte makeup, so for me, reducing shine is good. But if you don't want to do the full-on bake, there is a shortcut that you can use with both a pressed powder and a loose powder. So the thing is, like if you buy a pressed powder, it comes with a powder puff. So this is the one that came with this Neutrogena powder. Oops, the baby's ready for me to stop doing videos. And basically what you want to do is, and this looks weird because I had to fix it. It kind of crumbled and then I fixed it later with alcohol. But you actually press the powder into your skin. You don't just kind of like dab, 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 or like just like rub it on like that. You'll actually press it into your skin. You can do your whole face that way. And that really helps cut down on the shine. You can also use a sponge for it. Okay, and I would use a dry sponge, but you could use like a moistened beauty blender type sponge, but I feel like this is the right shape. And then if you really wanted to like fake bake, not the fake bake on your skin, but fake bake on your makeup, you can use a pressed powder and like really get under your eyes and then just kind of blend it out by dabbing, or use a brush to kind of set it after, kind of like get all the excess off is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so if you press your powder into your face using the sponge or the Power Puff that comes with your makeup, either loose or compact powder, then it will make your powder and your makeup stay longer, and you've kind of done like baking, but not really. It's just a quick and easy fix. So I hope that was helpful, and maybe I'll come back at you with some new YouTube videos. I've also got a Facebook group called VIPKID Makeup and Beauty Addicts, and I will post a link to that below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks so much, y'all. Have a great day.